Nanobago Kabalen! Kamusta kayo po? Ako yung Louis Season.
Marco Nanan, ning we're in Pampanga.
Guys, ngayon po nga daw ni may invite kami kay metong aesthetic clinic. Pero yung masanding Ken, may pa-service na kami.
Yes.
So, kita bin, at kami po kayo ning Noor Infinity Skin and Body Lounge. It's clinic po kayo ning Angeles City. And ita po, pakilingan po yung ganang pegawada kaya kami kayo ni.
So, tara! Let's go!
Yung down-down ako is called HIFU, which stands for High Intense Focus Ultrasound.
Yung benefits na po ng HIFU is atin niya po kaya ng rejuvenation, rejuvenation. Mas lifted siya po yung skin. Kaya rin po pala yung isang mag-full V-shape face.
Okay.
Korean V-shape.
So, benefits ng HIFU, tighten yung skin, i-lift niya. Pwede rin siya sa eye bags. Tapos, it produces new collagen. So, new collagen production from today until 6 months. So, mag-lift siya dahil dun sa new collagen. Collagen is for tightening the skin. Kasi yung collagen siya yung nagpapatighten, nagpapalift ng saging skin. So, new collagen production, meaning mas malilift yung saging skin nyo, yung mga excess na, kunyari nag-lose weight kayo. Tapos, ang tendency is yung skin elasticity. Babagsak yung skin mo since nawala yung fat. So, yan, HIFU, it stimulates the skin to produce new collagen.
Yung procedure, dinadala na kayong disclaimer, medyo ting pain. Pero aliya invasive, meaning alayang sugat, alakang damdaman mo yan kasi wala mo pulsating electricity, wala mga tayong gagawan ng mga yan. Pero actually, kaya paikiting lupa ko kanina nung nanay itsura. Lawenta niya itang before and after.
Dahil nga 4 steps ito, covers yung deep cleansing niya because it removes dead skin. It removes yung mga dark spots. Then, meron siyang infusion ng serum through the coccygeneyo. Infusion siya ng serum. It depends. Meron tayong 2 types of serum na ginagamit. Depende dun sa skin type ng patient. If which of the 2 serums ang gagamitin natin. For Pritzer is Near Bright. Let the patient see na merong difference. Yung Revive usually binibigay yan sa mga more of the anti-aging na. Both men and women should take care of themselves.
Ay siya, kumbaga, maka-refreshing Korean facial na.
Actually, first time ever kong magpagluta. Tapin na kasi parang ako, atin yung pagka-feminine kasi po na magpagluta mo. Yan. Pero, syempre, along the way, mababiyasa tamo, ma-educate tamo nung bakit mo naman natin aliwang benefit in gluta aside from itang aesthetic. Medically, ma'am, nano la ring benefit na ng gluta?
Siyempre, siya, antioxidant.
Okay.
Good siya for the liver. And, yun, pwede na siya sa mga may fatty liver, ganyan. Sa component anti-aging. And, siyempre, dapat importante, FDA approved tayo. What we did for Miss Carmina is Barbie arm. So, arm Botox. Para yon mag-slim yung arm niya. Kasi sa muscle. Muscle yung pinapalit. Then, yung dito, since medyo fatty, may fats, what we did is mesolipo. So, fat dissolving naman yun. Yung component kasi ng arm ni Miss Carmina is may muscle siya at the same time may fat. So, kailangan niya is 2 procedure para mag-slim down yung arm.
So, abi tayo ngayon ni Ma'am Casey. Yapin niya yung basta dress mo naman ng Noor. So, how long have you been with Noor?
Mag-1 year pa lang po pero sobrang grabe. Parang family ko talaga sila.
Alright, so usually kay ni Ma'am, ano yung pinapa-service mo? Ano yung pinapagawa mo ngayon?
Since naturally tabain po talaga ako, slimming po talaga yung tinutulong nila sa akin. They do a lot actually. Facials, massage, nails, name it. Andyan lahat ng pamper, beauty, gano'n.
Yes.
Pero yung sa akin, mostly slimming talaga.
Okay, para sa'yo, ano yung benefit nan?
benefit for me as a woman, confidence booster siya eh. Kasi parang, di ba, ayaw naman nating maiwan na kung masistress ka, malolosyang ka, gano'n.
Yes,
Dapat love yourself, kumbaga.
Okay. So, basically confident, no?
Oo. Sabi nga po nila parang, di ba, prioritize yourself din and always do it for you. Kasi parang yung body natin, temple yan ni God. So, dapat binavalue natin.
Amazing.
Inaalagaan.
Amazing.
Ayun po, please visit Noor Infinity Skin and Body Lounge. Lahat po ng kailangan nyo whenever you want to pamper yourself, mas gusto nyo ipa-feel sa sarili nyo na mahal naman yung sarili nyo. Or if you want to treat family and friends, yun po, please visit us here.
So then, slimming iron la for muscle toning. If ever akin siya mag-vibrate la, para matotone na yung muscle ko. In 20 minutes of makadeni, katumbas na is 200 sit-ups pag nag-exercise ko.
Tutuking service na gawin da ka na ako, ining aman wandang body wrap. So, basically, ma'am rock na nung gawan na ng body wrap.
In body wrap po, galing mag-sweat kayo po. Isang pawas na everywhere. Kainin. Tapos, yung benefits na po, ito, more on feeling. Makakapag-lash rin.
Which is really suitable for me. Okay, so anong gawin tamo, ma'am? So, di kuryente ya po ini. Just to let you know.
20 minutes po yung pinaka-minute.
20 minutes. So, I think, happy niniing walang alternative for a sauna, mga yan. So, nakakit ko na difference na nini is comfortable ka makakera.
Our procedure is sclerotherapy, just eliminate varicosities. Very good candidate siya because of her work. Long-standing, long-sitting din. Tapos, indicated siya sa mga varicosities, spider veins, a little bit of pain, but nonetheless, you can proceed with your work and then after which, you're good to go.
For today, what we're going to do is non-surgical nose lift. We're going to do 4-step procedure. We call it queen nose here. First of all, we are going to insert some threads. So it's popularly known as Gueco thread nose lifting. So aside from that, we will also do some tip projection and then fillers sa bridge ng nose, and then lastly, alar bungee.
Hi, this is Dr. Ann Bautista.
Hi, this is Dr. Cristel Medel. We are from Noor Infinity Skin and Body Lounge.
We offer a variety of services from facial services, nail services, slimming services,
Whitening services, non-surgical facelifting, non-surgical nose lifting, sclerotherapy, and a lot of other doctor's procedures as well.
well, most of our procedures here are done by certified licensed aesthetic physicians.
And also you could avail for free consult for us to be able to assess you first before doing any procedure. So we will tell you first the pros and cons of each procedure, explain to you thoroughly what the procedure will do, what would benefit you, what would be the advantages or disadvantages of each procedure. So we are inviting you to come and visit us. We are located at 150 Don Gueco Avenue, Mountain View, Balibago, Angeles City. We are open from Mondays to Sundays, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.
And you could reach us through our mobile numbers, flash over, and then you could also follow us through our Facebook page and Instagram. So come and visit us at Noor Infinity Skin and Body Lounge. See you!
So, Kabalen, what a day! Super mag-enjoy kami kaning Noor Infinity Skin and Body Lounge. Kada services kini and basanting kini guys. Certified lang doctor rin talagang magkakera.
Yes.
Mag-service mo yan. So, super! If you like this video, if you are interested to know more about their services, make sure to contact them or tagya po itang friend nyo na kailangan din kare ng service. So, thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out! Bye!